Hello, we're going to try to see if we can get the flipgrid assignment figured out. Okay, so when we go into classwork, we look at Tuesday and we click on our flipgrid assignment. Now, just as a reminder, you want to have the whole act read by tomorrow and answer all of those questions that are in the margin so we're ready for the quiz on Friday. So the first thing you want to do is click on the flipgrid assignment and you want to join with Google. Now you want to make sure that you're using your school Google account. So there's a bunch of them saved on my computer. I'm just going to pick Rayleigh. Her account information is already saved into my computer, so when I click on it, it automatically logs her in. Hopefully yours would too. So when you look right here, it tells you the criteria, tell the setting, time period, and location that's going on, list the main characters and tell what's going on in the story, tell the point of view. So in class, we've gotten up to page 488 today. At the end of Wednesday, that is where the Ghost of Christmas Past has just come to see Scrooge, and he's taking him back to his home when he was a boy, and Scrooge got really sad. That's where we are at that point in the story. I would go into a little bit more details, but I'm not sure where you are into the story. Then I would tell the point of view of the story. Is it first person? Is it third person limited? Is it third person omniscient? Is it third person objective? And then I would explain why I chose the one that I did. And then you want to discuss the storyline and explain what is going on so far. So you want to go back to the beginning and tell a little bit about Scrooge and Marley. Again, that's your job to tell, so I don't want to go too much into detail. And then tell me what page you read up to so far. Like I said, today at the end of Wednesday, we're up to page 488. That way I have a better understanding of what you're explaining to me based on how far you got. So you're going to do all that, but what you're going to do is you should be able to push right here where it says record a response, and then it should pop up right here. Click the allow button in the pop-up located in the upper side of your browser. So you may have to do a little bit of working with your computer, because what this is saying right here is that there's something wrong with my computer, and what I'm going to need to do is adjust. So I have to kind of show you up here. Click the allow button in the pop-up located in the upper right side of your browser window. It should look like this. So Flipgrid's not being allowed to use my camera button. So this page is accessing your camera and microphone. So it looks like I need to allow this to use it. So continue allowing Flipgrid to access it. I want to select that one. The microphone is going to be there. The camera is going to be there. Done. If you previously checked the block button, okay, maybe I want to retry the camera, and if it's not working, or if I want to import a video, you can potentially do that, but I don't necessarily suggest importing a video. Click the allow button. Your camera looks like this and it does not have the little X over it, it should allow you to make your video.